Hi everyone, my name is Cole Mason, and today I would like to present to you my design project. Before that, I would like to thank all the panel for being here, and I hope that you guys will enjoy my video. One of our project is Project 1, which we study about the traditional craft in Terengganu. These are the craft that I research on, the timber carving motif and also the modularity of traditional Malay house. Next is Project 2, which is crafting skin as an design language. The development of my skin design is derived from the research on Project 1, which derived from a few series of abstract drawing to understand the timber carving elements and motif. And here are the drawing of my skin development. Next is our final project, Crafting Pura Tanjong Sabtu. Our site is located within Kampong Tanjong Sabtu in Kuala Terengganu. Here are some of the site analysis diagram. Site analysis is then derived to form a few series of site response diagram. For case study, I studied on the building form, space quality and the site responding element on a cultural center in Sichuan, China. Design concept is then developed from the understanding of site and case study. My design concept is reconnecting people with the nature. I start off with the space planning, which allow me to include spatial space in my design. Space is then developed from the study of Project 1 and Project 2. Study of space through collage drawing and sketches allow me to have a better understanding between the space and the site context. Here are some of my sketches to understand about the site. Form is then finalized through a few series of sketches and collage. And here are the final outcome of my design proposal. The cultural center is then produced from all the development stage. Here are my building plans. User can approach the building through the existing Pura Tanjong Sabtu staircase, which is perpendicular and linear with the building, forming a welcoming approach, and additional entrance on the right side is added for a more convenient approach. The building parking is located at the side of the building. The ground floor of the cultural center consists of 14 spaces. Upon entering from the reception lobby, user will be welcomed with a center courtyard and a 4 small pond where there's a tree in the middle, forming an emphasis toward nature. It will then lead them to the flea market area, where user can enjoy freedom within its open space concept. On the left side, it is public library, while on the right side, it is restaurant. Both interior spaces are placed with light and shadow from the building skin with different porosity in order to adapt with the sun orientation. The space is also equipped with skylight, where it creates a spatial experiment for the user. User can then go up to the first floor from both spaces, which form an interaction between the user and also the existing Pura Tanjong Sabtu. Through the narrow walkway on the left, users are then opened up with a wide landscape garden and also a photo-taking area. On the right side of the building, user can experience the traditional wood carving process. Furthermore, there's a gallery to showcase the artisan works and a gift shop on the first floor. The wood carving workshop are divided into 2 spaces, where one for lighter crafting and one for heavier crafting. The workshop on the ground floor is equipped with full-height floating door, which open out to the surrounding landscape, and also is then for loading material and equipment. The artisan studio beside it is covered with walls and trees to ensure its privacy. The homestay is isolated on the top right to create a spacious atmosphere between the user and the nature. On the other side, users that are coming by the river can approach the building through the staircase, which form a symmetrical balance to the building, forming a welcoming approach. From there, user can then have an overview of the building from the terrace. The overall cultural center form are presented through a few series of elevation drawings. Building section, which shows the interior and exterior of the building and also the activities with space. And here are some of the technical and structural drawings to have a better understanding on the building skin itself. Here are some of the rendered version of the buildings.